Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this Bburago model in 1 to 24th scale. It is the Abarth 500. Uh, Basically by the look of it, I think that the more appropriate name is Abarth 595. If you visit the Abarth website, you will see that the Abarth models that are based on Fiat 500 have names like that. I recently posted an article on my magazine about the Abarth company and the history of the brand. So if you like it, you can check it out. I will put the link here down on the screen. So today we are going to unbox and review this model car. From the images that I've seen on the internet, it looks very nice and very detailed. So I am excited to see if it's that the case. So let's proceed with the unboxing. Let's take a look uh, at the box first. You see that it says race. It's race series. It has no other recommendations about other models. And here you can see the badge of authenticity, which is very nice. Bburago usually makes good work for Ferrari models and especially lately, so I think that this is gonna be also very detailed since it's Italian brand Fiat. So now we are going to open it. It's a standard opening from here. I see that it has a piece of tape, so I'm gonna cut it. Okay, and now we can open it. So it opens like this, and then we open this one here. You can see, and we take it out. It has a plastic base. Looks very nice, very detailed. I can see that the mirror has an issue from the passenger side, but we can straighten it out easily. It's like soft plastic material. As you can see, it's not hard plastic. So right out of the box, I can see that the headlights and the taillights are very detailed. It has some nice features. It has also the logos here, as it should. The base is plastic, so you can display it. As you can see, it has a transparent piece in between the model and the base, so it keeps a distance. You see that the wheels don't touch the base, and that's nice. So let's proceed with the removal of the base, and we can take a better look. So there are two screws underneath, Phillips screw. And we remove the base. And this is the transparent plastic. And this is the model car. I see right away that the wheels steer nicely. They're pretty loose and airy. The rear wheels, I cannot say that they move easily. Maybe it's this rubber here that make them not move easily. We have an opening hood. You can see the engine, very nice details, looks very good. The steering wheel moves along with the wheels. Of course, we don't have a suspension system, and as you can see, we don't have disc brakes, but it has something that looks like a brake caliper. You can see the red color inside the wheel here. So very nice details in general, I like it. Underneath you can see that there are not much to see. And now let's take out these pieces here, and we will cut this here. And now we are going to see, yes, the wheels now move freely, so this rubber thing was the issue, and they move independently, so that means they don't have a rod. That's nice. The back panel opens very easily, and the interior space is huge, as you can see. Very nice, I like that. Very nice details for the taillights. The logos are very clear. It has a lot of things that imitates the real life model, like the exhaust pipes and the badges and the logos. All looks very nice, very realistic. And now we will open the doors. So the best way to open the doors probably is to use a tool, because they are a tight fit, as you can see, very nicely done. But I will try to open them without the use of a tool. Slowly. The doors open very firmly, they are not loose. You can see inside that is full of roll cage bars, and the seats are very nice raised seats. You cannot see much because it's all black interior, but there are some stickers on the steering wheel and the cluster. And of course, from the passenger side, the door opens more easily. You can see that it's gloss black, the panels for the doors here. It's shiny. And from here maybe you can have a better look for the interior. I will try to put more light, more brightness. Looks very cool. Very nice model car. I think that it is one of the best model cars that Bburago made in that scale. And since I am an Abarth fan, I am very happy that I got this model. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please write me in the comments. I will be happy to ask your questions about this model car or any other model car. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.